So one of the things I get asked is how to bury the wire. In a mulch area like this, what I like to do is just, just with a flat shovel or a rake, is just move the mulch or whatever you have back from wherever you want to lay that wire. And then I just go around with a flat-ended spade and basically just make a cut and just loosen that dirt up. And give it a good place for the wire to sit. And then afterwards, a tool like this is going to be your best friend. You can find this in any garden section. I don't even know what it's called. A flat-ended screwdriver will work well too. The reason I like this is because it's got the two little prongs that you can that helps just push the wire down. And then after, I just go and I start pushing that wire down into the dirt and get it nice and deep. Because this is low voltage, you don't have to have it 18 inches or a foot down. And then the other thing I like to do just to help secure it is every once in a while, just a simple landscape stake like this, and just throw it over the wire and hammer it down, and that'll just help that as you're gardening and stuff, if you happen to dig it up or catch it with a rake, all that wire is not going to pull out. It's just going to help secure it down.